the Hood County Courthouse. Built in 1890, it's a lasting example of Second Empire architecture. And this is Mary, who's going to show us something at the very top. Now, this is not open for public tours, but you guys definitely want to see it.
Oh, cool.
This is the Hood County Tower clock.
So this is the actual clock?
Yes.
Even though we're a few stories still below the clock face?
That is correct. That is
Interesting.
Installed in 1891 and still ticking. It beats any clock I've ever owned by about 120 years. Proven once again, they definitely don't make them like they used to.
It's a fascinating, beautiful piece of equipment.
This is truly an antique, and the fact that it still works is amazing. Credit to, you guys here at the county for keeping this thing running.
And the only way to keep it ticking is to wind it by hand.
You can try winding it. You can
Oh, you'll let me do this?
Yes.
Oh man, this thing's over 100 years old. If I'm the man responsible for breaking this, I'm gonna feel really bad.
I'll get out of it.
Ah! Ooh! No need for a gym membership when you work at Hood County.
The crank lifts a series of weights that gravity pulls down to spin the wheels. They shouldn't call this hand wound, more like full body wound.
Chet rode in college. It's all right.
I never quit early.
There you go. You're
I'm
good.
gonna be
You're good.
up high. Yes.
There you go.
My work here is done. Hood County will run on time,
That's right.
at least for the next 3 to 4 days.
I just gave the maintenance crews a well-deserved break. Now to see if I broke it.
Here it goes.
Oh, cool.
Here it goes.
Good news for the clock, bad news for my ears.
I'm gonna have to do the rest of the show in sign language. Wow, that was, woo!
Whoa, better get back into the open air to stop my ears from ringing. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.